Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will go for this. Okay guys, once you have opened Pixellab, the first thing you have to do is to go to change the background and select the color, select gradient, change the background, the color of the background. Let's change it. Okay, select your color from the color wheel, then go to OK. So the next thing you need to do is to select the shape from the icon plus, click on shape, increase the size and bring it down. So after you have clicked on shape, the next thing you need to do is to go to your gallery and import the image. Let's move to our gallery. Select the image you would like to use. Let's select the image. Once you have selected your image, go to group, flip it, then click on OK. So increase the size and move it down. Move it down. Once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to adjust it. Let's adjust the position, then go to text and write the word June. Let's go to text, write the word June, click on done, then click on capital letter, icon for capital letter, OK. Increase the size. Okay, once you have increased the size, choose a font. Let's go to font and select a font we will use for this June. Okay, let's select this. Okay, then go to padding and shift it to the left, to the right, sorry. Okay, let's increase the size a little bit. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to go to your gallery and import the PNG for the heart. Let's go. Select the image. So in order for you to work with this shape, with this image, you have to lock the other one. Let's lock the other one so that it won't interfere with our work. Okay, then increase the size. The next thing you have to do is to import the shadow effect from your gallery. Let's go to our gallery and import the shadow effect. Select the PNG for the shadow effect. Okay, so once you have selected the PNG for the shadow, you need to lock the other image so that it won't interfere with your work. Let's lock this and and select this, increase the size a little bit and place it here. Okay, let's move it backward. So the next thing you have to do is to increase the boldness of this tune. Okay, then rearrange it. So the next thing we have to do is to write happy new month. Write the word happy new month, done, in capital letter. Then decrease the size. Okay, change the font. Let's use another font. Go to recent. Okay, let's use this preferably. Okay, let's place a happy new month. Rearrange the position. Okay, let's choose a stroke for this. Go to gradient, choose a stroke for the happy new month. Once you are done with the text, go to quote and select the quote you would like to use. Okay, let's use this. Decrease the size. Then go to alignment. Choose this. Okay. Let's change the font. Go to font. The font you would like to use. Okay, increase the size a little bit. Position it. So the next thing you have to do is to spread around this shape for the heart. Let's go to gallery and import the shape for the heart. Okay guys, once you have imported the image, we will use this image to create a blur effect. So decrease the size a little bit. Then the next thing you have to do is to decrease the opacity to somewhere 32. Okay, then duplicate it. Okay, then you will do the same for the rest. Let's do the same for the rest. So as you can see, we are done. So the next thing we have to do is to import the PNG for the WhatsApp, Telegram and Instagram logo. Let's go to our gallery. Here's the size. So the next thing you have to do is write JC design. Go to text. JC design. Choose your color. Change the font. Let's use this and decrease the size. As you can see, we are almost done. So let's write editing text, then go to Word. Okay, decrease the size. Okay, say send us a dim file. Let's duplicate this and we write something. Okay, go to text. Designing. Editing. Go to done. Bring it downward. And increase the size. Let's decrease the size of this. Okay. So as you can see, we are done. In case you're not okay with the background, you can change the color to this. Let's try this. Okay, we are done. This is the flyer design. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.